Grace and peace to all, and welcome watch enthusiasts. This is Time Measured. My name is DK, aka Jahvid, and today we're going to do an unboxing. About 2 weeks ago, I went to the Barton Watch Bands website and ordered 3 leather straps, and yesterday I got the box. And so we're going to do an unboxing of 3 leather straps that I ordered from Barton Watch Bands. So this is the box. To open it, I'm going to use my trusted cold steel Recon 1. Great everyday carry knife. Okay, so the box is open. We are given 2 stickers here with the Barton Watch Bands logo. Nice. Some nice Barton labeled filler. And in the box, we have the 3 leather straps. Nice. Now, if you're wondering about the watches in the background, these 3 straps are for the watches you see here. So I bought 1 strap for this watch, my Tissot Carson Chronograph, beautiful white dialed watch. I wanted to get a new leather strap, so that will be replacing this one. Next up, we have my Hamilton Khaki Field Auto 42mm. This is on a nice chocolate leather strap. I'll be putting one of these Barton straps on this. Third, we have the Orient Sun and Moon in rose gold. You can see the OEM strap has some wear on it, which is why I am replacing the strap on this one. Okay. So you can see here, the leather straps come in nice packaging, nice box, nice labeling as well. 22mm. This is a alligator grain quick release strap. Coffee brown. You have another alligator grain quick release strap in black, and another leather strap in black. So let's open these boxes and see what they look like. Let's go with the first one. Okay, so when you take off the sleeve, you have a nice blue inner box, Barton Watch Bands. And here's the first strap. Wow. I like how it tells you the length of the strap, 22mm, and already you can see the quick release pin, which makes it easy to remove and change your watch strap. Excellent. So this is the black leather strap with the white linen stitching, and this strap I got for my Hamilton Khaki Auto 42mm because I like, this came on the original brown leather strap, but I thought that it didn't look good on this. I always liked how the black white stitching strap looked on the Khaki Field Auto. So I picked up one of these from Barton. And here we have top grain leather, and the watch strap feels very good. It looks very good. It's not too thick, but it's not too thin either. So I can't wait to put this strap on Khaki Field Auto. So this is the black leather strap with white linen stitching. Next strap, we're going to go with the alligator grain black leather strap. Nice blue inner box. And here it is. 22mm top grain leather. This looks very nice. Very dressy. Again, feel of the strap feels very good, high quality. Not too thick and not too thin. This looks great. This strap is going to go on this Tissot Carson Chronograph. As you can see, it's already on a alligator black leather strap, but this one is showing some wear, and I don't like the way it fastens on my wrist. It's a bit loose. This is going to be a lot better for sure. Yeah, I can tell this is going to look great. Alright, so this is the alligator green black leather strap. So far, I'm very pleased. And last, we have the coffee colored alligator green leather strap. Little labeling at the back. Open this up. Here it is. This is beautiful. Nice coffee brown alligator green leather strap with a rose gold buckle. And this strap is for this beauty right here, the Orient Sun and Moon. As you can see, it is in rose gold, so this is going to match perfectly, with this watch here. Can't wait to put it on. Well, first impressions, folks, of Barton watch straps, the leather ones. They look great. They feel great. You definitely feel like you're getting some high quality leather straps here. And I feel like my money is well spent. I purchased these 3 leather straps, and I paid about $80 in total with tax. They were roughly, the two Alligator straps were $28 Canadian, and the black strap with white linen stitching was $25. So definitely affordable, and these are definitely high quality leather straps that won't disappoint. I can't wait to put them on. So my review of these Barton Watch straps, they're very good, and I definitely would recommend picking up some leather straps from Barton. I'll put their link down below so you can pay them a visit. But this is great. So far I'm impressed. So with the boxing, with the overall appearance and feel, definitely great quality straps, and I'm looking forward to putting these on my watches. So here's how the watches look on the straps. Unfortunately for the Tissot Carson, the strap didn't fit. This is a 21 millimeter lug, and I had ordered a 22 millimeter strap, so unfortunately I tried to make it fit but couldn't. But the black leather with linen stitching fits perfectly on the Hamilton Khaki Field Auto 42 millimeters. Very nice. So that's how that looks. Now let's look at the Orient Sun and Moon. Beautiful. Matches perfectly. Rose gold case. Rose gold buckle. Barton straps. You guys are doing an excellent job. All right. Last thing I'd like to mention is Barton straps not only has amazing quality leather straps, but their customer service is outstanding also. As I mentioned earlier, I was not able to fit my 22 millimeter black alligator grain strap onto my Tissot Carson Chronograph because when I measured the lug width, it measured at 21 millimeters instead of what I thought was 22 millimeters. Nonetheless, I sent an email to Barton Straps today. I got a reply within a few hours.
And they said I could exchange the strap and that the order was already being processed.
Now how's that for customer service? That's outstanding. So once again, Barton Straps has excellent quality leather straps at an affordable price. Here's my black leather strap with white linen stitching again on my Hamilton Khaki Field Auto. Looks amazing. I'm very pleased. And we're gonna have one more look at my Orient Sun and Moon rose gold on this beautiful alligator grain coffee brown leather strap with the rose gold buckle. Beautiful. I highly recommend Barton Straps. I will leave a link in the description below. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and review. And until next time, grace and peace to all. Take care. Make sure you smash the like and subscribe button, and feel free to comment. Let me know what your thoughts are of Barton Watch straps. Do you own any? Have you ordered from them? Are you pleased with their products? So far, I can say I'm pleased. So until next time, take care.